Take a ride in the 2015 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, fog lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.